Hey, we're going to do a quick little video here that's going to give you some pointers on fitting a boot. First thing you want to do is you want to get the person to try the boot on. So what you're looking for here is if it's really hard for them to get their foot in it, you've probably got too small of a boot to start with. If their foot drops right down into it, you probably have too big of a boot. Once the boot went on, and that one went on fairly well, we know we were pretty close on the fit. We're going to check here and see if I'm feeling like bone up against the leather, means the boot's too tight. If I'm squeezing a whole bunch here, the boot's too loose. So what you want to do too is ask the person, are you feeling the safety toe up against the front of your boot or not?
Not completely.
Not completely, but it's fairly close.
Yes.
Okay, so in that situation, we might want to try going up a half size so he's got a little bit more room there. You don't want them to where their big toes hitting against that safety toe. That's going to cause a lot of issues as they wear these boots. So again, we know we have a pretty close fit. So what we want you to do is, can you stand up and then flex the boot a little bit? Okay, what I'm looking for here is if you look across here, you can see the flex points are fairly straight across the boot. If they were shooting at a real big angle, that probably also means the boot's either too big or too wide. And again, with this, we're close, and it would be a matter of preference whether he wanted to try a half size up or he's good with this. How do you feel in there as you're standing? It feels comfortable. So we're probably good with this. So if you have any questions with this, you guys know how to get in touch with me. I'll give you some other pointers on it. But generally, what you're looking at here is just, you want to use your eyes and ask questions. And the customer will tell you if they're good with it or not.